All right, so you can tell what we're doing here today. David has been down here for how long?
Since about 11 o'clock.
So David's been down here since about 11 o'clock. I was hoping to be the blister today and come in and he'd say he's all done, but it's not the case. So we are extracting honey today. He said that we are, what'd you say about the percentages of the...
We've got some that's running about 19 or 19.5% moisture content, so we're going to separate those and try to dry them down.
So that's what our plan is. So far he's gotten a couple buckets. Looks like that third one almost getting there too.
This is pretty much full, so we're up about, maybe 200 pounds. And we're just getting started.
Yeah, we are just getting started. So I'm going to set this up so that maybe we can catch some funny stuff going on in here, and let's have some fun and extract some honey here.
Yeah, this is the fun part.
For him. This is my least favorite. This is why it's good to do beekeeping if you can in pairs or thirds or what have you. Have some partners, because stuff that he likes, I don't like. Stuff that I like, he doesn't like. So it kind of works out good. We push each other through the things that we don't like to do. So, because I just assume be out in the field doing stuff out there, and he likes this. To me, I'm sweating to death already, and I'm stuck,
Yeah, it is a little warm in here.
But makes the honey flow good. All right, well, stick around.
I'm pretty sure that is basswood.
Basswood linden. Okay.
That clear?
Yeah.
That's almost water clear.
Where do you want me at?
Okay, hang on. Okay.
Oh my gosh.
Like that.
Oh wow. What he was showing me was this. So look how...
We don't always stick our fingers there.
No. But look at that, how clear that is.
I think that's basswood or linden. So we got a lot of linden trees around here. Of course, basswood is part of the linden family, so. It tastes good. I tell you what, you mix all this stuff up, it makes a good cracker.
Oh, I was gonna get a screwdriver to tighten that a little bit more. Is that more important than what you're gonna have me do?
Yeah, right now, when you get ready.
All right. Just real quick on how we have ours set up. We have one of the spinners there. We got fans back there, getting that down below 18%. Decapper tank. Look there at that beautiful goodness. And then this is already bucketed. And we got another over here. So it's coming along, coming along. Day 3 or 4. Heck, I done lost count of the days. How many days have we've been doing this?
Well, we started on Tuesday, so whatever today is,
Today's third, and so we've been at it just about every evening, and one kind of full day. And so these are all empty. These are all empty, and we've got 2 more full mediums, and we're done. Well, we're done with this part. Then the fun part of cleaning up has got to be done. So,
any volunteers?
yeah, any volunteers to clean up, we'd be happy to help. And David's plugging right along on slicing them off just like butter. So, almost there. As you can tell, the plastic's sticky.